Hey guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage, and I'm gonna give you a quick look at how the fuel pump on that EF was. What I took out of the tank? We're gonna do it together right now. That's the strainer. That right there. We're left of the fuel pump. Right there. And this, you're about to see there, was about to come out of the tank. Sitting for a whole week with vinegar. So you can hopefully see it's about to come out. Ready? See that? That's 30 years of rust. Holy shit. Perfect, baby, perfect. I got fresh water running to the tank. 30 years apart. We got clean water coming through there. Oh shit. Oh man, that's pretty cool. And this 30 years, 20 years of rust in the floor. Whew. So that's what I'm doing. Giving you a clip, or clamps, or clip, whatever you want to call it, of 30 years. The water holding on underneath there. Look at this, guys. Ricky, look at your tank. This keep coming out, bro. Holy shit, look at this. The more I leave it there, the more rust that comes out. Look at the chunk. For 5 days, almost a week, just waiting and waiting to get this tank like this clean, and it's still coming out. I mean, the tank was really good now inside. I got chunks like that coming out. So when I'm telling you this thing took almost 99% of the rust, there we go. See right there, that's nothing. I can't even see the floor in the beginning. But look, you can see everything now. There we go. A little bit of rust spots like right there. See that rust spot right there in the corner? But you can see that way, it's completely empty. So it took me to what I am right now. At this point, it took me 5 days, almost 7 days. Started last Sunday, took it apart, put it down here on the trailer, and I went and basically all that you see right there, they all came out of this tank. So basically what I did, took it out, put vinegar on it, let her go, let her fermentate for 7 days. I mean, this is rusting here. That's what you hear. Listen, it's all full of rust. So that tank is ready to go. I'm gonna let it dry for like two days more. Then I think I have a Hellcat fuel pump that I can put in there. I know I have a new sending unit for it. And that's it, guys. A short video showing you how clean that came out. I just want to show you because I lost the footage on before and after. So there you go. Hit like, subscribe. Yeah, forever.